you doing? You say hi, Mark? No. No. What do you say? You say hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Say I love you.
I love you. I think it's not Mark coming.
What, baby?
Mark is not coming.
Mark has to stay and work. Are we gonna go see Mark and go to Disneyland?
I'm going to see Snow White and Cinderella.
Yeah, is that what's gonna happen? Say bye-bye, Mark. Say bye-bye, Mark.
Bye-bye, Mark.
Blow him a kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Bye-bye.
Mark is not here.
No, he's in LA. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're watching Mary Poppins?